In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working issue on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So, I'll be showing you 6 ways to do it. I've got a notepad set up right here showing us all the steps over here. As you can see, the first one is run troubleshooter. So for this, just go to your desktop and go to the search icon at the bottom of the screen. And then in here, just search for troubleshooter settings. From the best matches, just open up troubleshooter settings, expand this, then just go to the other troubleshooters, expand the other troubleshooters, and under most frequent, you'll find network and internet. Click on run. It will run and try to find the problem for you. If you have a problem, it will fix it for you. Currently, I don't have any problem, so it's saying you're connected to the internet. We didn't find any problem in your network. But if your network has any problem, it's gonna allow you to fix it. Then just close all this. Then just go to the next step, which is disable Wi-Fi adapters. For this, what you have to do is go over to the search again and search for view network settings. So just type view network connections in the best match and open it. From here, you're gonna find your Wi-Fi over here somewhere. I currently don't have a Wi-Fi adapter, so I'm gonna show it with the Ethernet one. So imagine this is the Wi-Fi, so just right click on it and click on disable. Just give it some time, then right click on it again and click on enable. This is gonna restart your Wi-Fi adapters. Again, do it for your Wi-Fi one, not Ethernet. Then just close this and go to the next step, which is go to services and then fix your WLAN autoconfig. For this, just go to search again and type services. From best matches, just simply open up services. In here, just search for WLAN autoconfig. So just scroll down a bit and find WLAN autoconfig. Here you go. Just right click on it and go to properties. From here, make sure startup type is set to automatic and make sure to stop it and then start it again. Then click on apply, click on OK. Or what you could do is just right click from here and click on start, or maybe click on restart. And after that, just close this down. Then go to the next step, which is change manual proxy. For this, what you have to do is go to the search again and search for change proxy settings. And from the best matches, just open this up. And after you do this, you'll find manual proxy setup. So mine is currently turned off as I have not set up any, but you have set up any, then just go ahead and disable this and turn the manual proxy setup off. That's it. Then for the next step, what you can do is just go to CMD, just open up your CMD and click on run as administrator, give it the permission if it needs it. Then what you have to do is put your CMD on one side and type one of these commands. Just type the first command, which is ipconfig space / release and hit enter. And this is gonna do the thing and then do the second thing. Just copy it and paste it over here, the second command, which is ipconfig space / renew. Hit enter. Give it some time and then do the third one, which is netsh winsock reset catalog. Just hit enter. And after that, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So just go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. But if it's still there, just go to the next step. Reset your network. So for this, what you have to do is you could go here in search and search for network reset. And there you go. Or you could just right click on your Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right and go to network and internet settings. From here, just go inside view advanced network settings. From here, scroll down a bit and under more settings, you'll find network reset. This resets all network adapters to factory settings. Just click on this. And from here, just click on reset. And it's gonna ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Just click on yes. And after that, it's gonna successfully reset your network settings. And for the last step, what you can do is just go ahead and update your Wi-Fi drivers. For this, just go to your start, right click on it, and you'll find device manager over here. Just click on that. Expand device manager. From here, you'll find network adapters. Just select it and expand it. And from here, you'll find your Wi-Fi adapter over here. It's gonna be a Realtek Wi-Fi adapter or something. For me, it's the Realtek PCIe GB family controller. It could be different for you. Just find the Wi-Fi adapter. You could Google it if you don't know the name of it to see if it's a Wi-Fi adapter or not. And after you find it, just right click on it and click on Update Driver. Then just click on Search automatically for drivers, and it's gonna search for the best drivers for your system and install it for you. Mine says the best drivers for your device are already installed, so I'm on the latest version of it and I don't need to update it. But if you aren't on the latest version, it's gonna find the latest driver and update it for you. Then just click on Close and close everything out. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your Wi-Fi should be working. And basically that is how to fix Wi-Fi issue on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.